Jump day for Bitcoin. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Guys, we're at a level of resistance on one of the biggest patterns this year on the falling wedge. Please hit the like button. If you guys trade Bitcoin, it's important for me to know that you guys trade Bitcoin. Now, the good news, last night, we're up about 3%, guys. Last night, we were in the back going aggressive on the targets, guys. I let them know these are aggressive targets. That was before the price actually got up and out. Shout out to Sean. He's up 30 to 40% on a short right now, hitting those targets on the upside. Let's talk about the upside targets here for this. If we can get up and out of that specific level of resistance across the top, I'm going to go from the preceding low to the high to the low, guys. I'm going to let you know that I'd like to see at least that 23.6, guys, interact at that 40,650. I'd like to see at least that 23.6 if we can break out to the upside. And thereafter, guys, that golden pocket, I'd love to see that 45,700 to the 46,124. What is that going to require, guys, for us to get in the framework of, I'd say, this upper price action? Let's look at the 5-minute real quickly. Very important. As we would look at this line of resistance, this, I'd say this traversing, sloping, negatively sloping line of resistance from that top on the 4-hourly, we're going to need to get up and over it. I'd like to see a set of a 4-hourly candle up and over it, so it's going to require some time in my book. Now, in terms of the specific downside targets, we have left in the dust some bearish features. Last night, I was getting aggressive with the targets. I let the VIP know. I was like, these are targets, and they're aggressive. This specific move right in here, guys, down to this level, I remember this level here, bam, in this zone, right in this zone, being very aggressive here, okay? So letting the VIP know, yes, these are aggressive targets. I let Angel know, I let the VIP know, guys, in the back, etc. Shout out to you guys, because it just continued to push up to the north, guys. Very, very nice. And you use that same pattern, guys. In terms of the reversal features that I went over yesterday, you used a few of those patterns to get up and out of this wedge. Very interesting. If you guys watched the video yesterday, do a reassessment of this pattern framework in here. You had multiple opportunities to trade a wedge. What I'm going to talk about right now is very important. Please, if you are dealing with any type of downside targets that you're trying to achieve on any short, you may be trying to take advantage of the price action, guys, to the downside. I'm going to remind you that any time that your targets could be contained within a preceding level of resistance, anytime that your targets could be contained within a preceding level of resistance, i.e. you've broken out of a differentiated pattern. In this case, it could be the interpretation yesterday after we established this near flat bottom could be the descending triangle, right? Descending line of resistance, flat bottom of support. What I'm going to say is that anytime that your targets are within the structured framework of a preceding pattern, understand it could make that, I'd say, accomplishing that target to the downside, guys, in terms of you're releasing your short at that lower level. It could make it more complicated. Always pay attention to that. The guys who are doing well, the guys who have already booked trades, or the guys who have orders set below or above of the price action, guys. If you're carrying, I'm going to tell you, we're at a line of resistance, and it's kind of a gutsy move, guys. Bitcoin has wanted to be a little difficult over the past several days in terms of these breakout moves, so it's a little bit risky right now in terms of a carry feature, like a heavy carry feature, or a power, if you wanted to just power in to a, let's say, a trade right now while we're on the interior of this 4-hourly level of resistance. Now, okay, to the extent that you want to breakout trade, guys, up and over the line of resistance with the 4-hourly candle set on the other side, we'd also like confirmation. Bitcoin has been tricky enough. We're prepared to be disciplined and patient. I want to shout out to the VIP. Guys, you're doing great. Sean, another trade from Sean. Guys, he's doing a great job in the back. And we're excited about VIP. If you're not already in the VIP, guys, you need to join. I want to let you guys know, this is the link right here next to Texas. And guys, we're having a great year so far. So glad that we went over some aggressive targets. So nice to see BTC leave some of these bearish patterns in the dust. And just I want to remind you guys from last night, from yesterday's stream, actually, from yesterday's, was a stream or video, I went over the fan formation. I want you to look back, please, if you wouldn't mind, at the price action. After that video, how many fans did you have the opportunity to trade, guys? How many fans did you have the opportunity to trade? I think multiple ones, guys. And you'll note that some of those will actually have the effect of being able to combat or being able to get up and over a rising wedge. I think that you'll be interested, guys, if you just understood what I said. Some of those fans will be able to push up and over a rising wedge. One way to beat them, guys. Pay attention to the technicals. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We're really excited about 2022 and what we're building. Guys, if we're not building it with you, who are we building it with, guys? We're excited about this. Make sure that like button is hit in terms of if you trade Bitcoin. And we're excited about the framework 2022 for the VIP. This is London. We will stream tonight, guys. Wanted to spend some time, quality time with VIP last night, and this is London with Bitcoin Spike. Go get them. Let's get through this line of resistance. If you're in a short, you have a decision to make. You're in the money. Congratulations, guys, to all the VIP trading. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.